Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the best products on the market and give you the lowdown on why they're worth your attention. Today, we've got something special for all you parents out there. The Knox convertible car seat in the NOA color. And let me tell you, it's not just any car seat, it's the best convertible car seat for tall babies that you can find.
Let's dive right into the details of the Knox convertible car seat.
Manufactured by UPPAbaby, this car seat has been making waves in the parenting community for all the right reasons. First up, the Smart Secure System, an absolute game changer. It features an indicator window that turns from red to green when the seat is correctly installed. Say goodbye to installation guesswork. But that's not all. It's equipped with Koroyd technology integrated into the base, creating an effective crumple zone that protects your child from impact forces.
Safety is paramount.
Now, here's a feature that sets it apart, the 8-position active support headrest. This means maximum comfort for your child as they grow. And let's talk about side safety. The Knox convertible car seat comes with side impact pods for additional crash absorption, adding an extra layer of protection. Whether you're driving rear or forward-facing, the multi-directional tether ensures your child's safety during travel. Now, let's talk style. The NOA color is not only classy but also easy to clean. It's a win-win for both parents and kids. Now, let's talk practicality. This car seat is perfect for larger vehicles or SUVs, but it might be a bit of a tight fit in smaller cars. So, keep that in mind when considering this fantastic car seat. So there you have it, folks. The Knox convertible car seat in NOA by UPPAbaby. It's the best choice out there for tall babies, offering top-notch safety features, comfort, and style. If you're in the market for a car seat that prioritizes your child's safety and comfort while looking sleek and stylish, the Knox convertible car seat is the one to go for. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get yours today. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.